my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making a chocolate cake, but with only 2 ingredients. So let's take a break and bake. That's right, folks. Today we're making a cake with only 2 ingredients. I saw this recipe online and I thought, can you really make a cake with 2 ingredients? So instead of me teaching you a recipe today, we're going to try out a recipe together. Normally, before I film a video, I know how to make the dessert. I've made it beforehand and done a lot of practice with it. But this dessert I've never made, and I thought it was really interesting. So I thought I would make it right in front of you guys to see how easy it is to make a 2-ingredient cake. Make sure to also like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon to get notified when I upload. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends that want to know how to make a 2-ingredient cake. The best part about this cake is actually that there's no flour, no gluten at all. I know a couple people that can't eat gluten, so this is the perfect cake for them. Now let's make this 2-ingredient chocolate cake. The ingredients you need are 9 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate, 4 eggs. The first step to make this 2-ingredient cake is to put your chocolate into a glass bowl and put it in the microwave for 15 seconds, stir it, put it back in the microwave for 15 seconds and stir, and repeat this process until all your chocolate has melted. While that's in the microwave melting, we're going to take our eggs and separate the yolks from the whites. You're going to take your egg whites and put them in a mixer to whip up our egg whites until soft peaks form. Once your chocolate is completely melted, mix your egg yolks into the chocolate one at a time until it's all evenly combined. Alright, so I have the recipe right here. I want to make sure I do this right. So it says mix in 1/3 of the whipped egg whites into your chocolate mixture. So 1/3, okay, that's about 1/3. So I added the 1/3 in there, and now I'm going to mix this up with the spatula and continue to do this until that's all evenly combined. Alright guys, so I have the recipe right here, and this looks very runny, a lot runnier than I thought, so I made sure with the recipe, this is a runnier cake. I thought it'd be a little bit more fluffy from the egg whites, but I don't know. So now, I don't have a 6-inch cake pan, but I do have a 6-inch tart pan. So I'm just gonna grease this pan, pour the batter into it, and put it in the oven at 325 and let it bake for about 30 minutes. And then we'll see if a 2-ingredient cake still tastes like a cake. This 2-ingredient cake is all done baking and all done cooling. I added a little bit of frosting just to add a little bit more flavor to it, but it looks super good and I'm so excited to try it. So now it's time for the taste test. This first bite I'm doing is just the cake by itself, no frosting. That was very interesting. It was kind of like a cake brownie, and it's actually really good. So I'm gonna try a little bit of it with the frosting. All cakes need to have frosting, right? It's really good. The frosting gives it more flavor, but the frosting isn't needed. It's still really good by itself, and I really recommend this. This is also really good, not even if you can't eat gluten, if you just want a cake with just simple ingredients, chocolate chips and eggs. Thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I had such a fun time making this delicious dessert. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload, and comment down another treat that you want to see in the future. Alright, click one of these 2 videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll enjoy this one. Alright, and click this icon over here with the Baking and Buttercream logo to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a great day.